Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the command prompt like a pro. Press Win+S and type CMD. If you need elevated privileges, choose Run as administrator. Once done, make sure to pin it to the taskbar or create a desktop shortcut for repeated use. You should also understand when to use PowerShell versus the classic CMD. PowerShell is more powerful for scripting, while CMD remains lighter for quick commands. This sets you up for the next actionable steps. You'll now navigate and run tasks. Use CD to move between folders and Dire to view contents. Create folders with mkdir. Once you know your location, run programs by typing the executable or full path and press Tab to autocomplete long names. Make commands efficient. Use andn to run multiple commands sequentially to redirect output to a file and the up arrow to recall previous entries. These techniques speed up everyday workflows, and you finish by running advanced checks and fixing common issues. Use ipconfig, ping, or tracert for network troubleshooting, and sfc/scano to repair system files. If a command fails, make sure you ran command prompt as administrator and that the executable is in your path. You can temporarily use the full path or adjust environment variables. Once done, use command/ or help to review syntax, and redirect stdir with 2 to capture errors for debugging.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.